EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for March 9th, 2021. We have a surge of warmth coming into the region over the next couple of days. Today is the first day of that, so it's going to be upper 50s to low 60s across the region. As you can see here by the underneath the video here, I have the mostly sunny skies for both today and tomorrow, but 56 would be in our far northern areas outside of areas of elevation. So elevation areas could be a little bit cooler than that, but it looks like most of the valley locations like Wilkes-Barre, places like that, we'll get in the mid-50s today. Central area is probably upper 50s to near 60, and then this 62 would represent our southeast areas by Philadelphia Metro and parts of southern New Jersey, Delaware. But we increase about 4 degrees everywhere from today through tomorrow, and then we go another 4 degrees higher than that to Thursday because we have, and that's why we have some temperatures getting up to 70 degrees in our southern areas for highs on Thursday. That's going to be our peak heating day this week, and we have no precipitation up until then. And as I move this forward, you have nothing but sunny skies until we get to Thursday. It'll be a partly cloudy day with this front situated off to our west, but we have a warm southwesterly flow ahead of this front that's going to give those temperatures a real kick. And again, some of our southern areas are going to get above 70 degrees when we're talking about areas like Harrisburg, Lancaster, Westchester, Philadelphia, over to parts of South Jersey, Delaware. You're going to be challenging that 70-degree mark. And a little bit further north might be just upper 60s only, but it's still going to be very warm and low to mid 60s across northeast PA. But so here's the temperature departures from average. So if you take what average is for your area right now, this is what we were yesterday. It was kind of a transition day. We had a little bit milder than we saw over the weekend when we bottomed out and had those below average temperatures. Yesterday was kind of like an in-between day, transition day type thing, leading to the warmer temperatures that are coming in today. And this is what near average was. We're a little milder out here in central PA yesterday, but for the most part, we're near average across the region yesterday for highs. But this is the jump that we have to today. We're 10 to 12 degrees above average for most of our locations. So this is going to get a warm surge coming in here. Again, some areas getting into the 60s in our southern areas, lower 60s, but 60s nevertheless. Further north, you're probably, mid 50s or so, and then or upper 50s, I should say, and then farther to the north, you're probably in the mid-50s today outside of elevation areas. So then we go to Wednesday, add about another 4 degrees of that, you're 12 to 15 degrees above average at that point. And by the time we get to Thursday, here's your peak heating day, some 20 degrees, 18 to 20 degrees above average for highs on Thursday. So this is going to be very warm, obviously. So the temperatures will be near 70 in our southern areas, and that's why we're so aggressive with that forecast for those areas down here, southeast PA, south central PA especially. But we get a little bit further north, you're still in the upper 60s in our central areas, and you're still in your mid 60s up here in northeast PA. So it's going to be very warm. Any remaining snow melt should take quite a beating this week. Now we have a transition day Saturday, and that's because this cold front's going to come through and give us a few showers here on Saturday. Not a big deal, not a lot of rain, just some light rain showers coming through during the day here on Friday. Because you still have that cold air advection not coming in behind this front right away, it's still going to be warm on Friday. It's just going to be limited with how warm it gets because you don't have the sun out. So, even with the clouds and the showers, you're still getting low to mid 60s for highs across the region, maybe even upper 60s further southeast on Friday. And the cold air advection is going to follow on Saturday once this second wave moves through. So you have a few showers moving through the day on Friday. You get a little bit of break, and then late in the overnight and Saturday morning for our southeast areas, we have another wave that's going to bring some showers with the wave moving along that frontal boundary. And once the showers exit, skies become partly cloudy on Saturday, and then the cold air advection comes in and it turns colder. Saturday afternoon, it stays colder than slightly colder than average, both Sunday and Monday behind it. So I don't see, and there's no precipitation associated with that. So here is Sunday. You can see high pressure moving in, but temperatures here on Sunday, this is after that cold front moves through. The cold air advection is already established. You're still in the mid upper 40s for highs across the region. Lower 40s up farther north, but this is not cold enough for snow. We don't have any snow in the region anyway. This is mostly sunny. Next system will be coming in here on Monday night. Could have a few sleet pellets to start in some far northern elevation areas, just briefly, but going over to rain showers at that point, it looks like, because we have some warm air advection coming into the region again. So, again, it's a short-lived shot of cool air Sunday, Monday. We go right back to slightly above average temperatures as we get to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week before the next system comes in. So this is typical of March. You have a lot of ups and downs in March. We're having a struggle between winter trying to hang on, and then you have spring trying to roar in here at the same time, and they're kind of going back and forth and battling each other. This is typical of March. This is what happens. This is where the whole lion and lamb concept comes. In like a lion, out like a lamb. So this is the transition. This is the back and forth battle that you have in March. This is typical. So you're going to see some ups and downs. Unfortunately, you're not going to hold on to these temperatures we're going to have this week, which are going to be pretty nice. But you will have that more consistently when we go into April. So it'll turn around. It's going to take some time. This is not normal. Again, this is by the time you get to Thursday, some places will be close to 20 degrees above average. That's not typical, obviously. So typical, normal high in Philadelphia around that time is about 50. Okay, so 20 degrees above average obviously puts you at 70 degrees. That's not normal temperatures. That's actually early May normal temperatures. So it's a little bit ahead of schedule. But don't expect that to be the norm, okay? We still have some slightly above and below average periods, but, this is not typical. Just enjoy it while you can. And soon enough, we'll have this more consistently as spring continues to roll in. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for March 9th, 2021. Have a great Tuesday.